There was Nancy. There was an old foot laying behind our house. It was fully of water. Some days, see the Nancy fully of hot in water. Some days after she going to see that, produce the some thread like grey thing swimming. She shocked. She is called for mother. Mother told. It's a mosquito larva. Okay, you can see the image. It's a mosquito larva. You can see it's next image. Large seen through the hand tense. Okay. What did you do? Okay, you can immediately the water cleaned. Okay, cleaner and dried and use them. Okay, anyone you can open that surrounding the place. You walk. It's a cleaner. Stranded in water, you immediately clean it because it's a formed mosquitoes larvae. And okay, next find out and tell. Have you seen any poster like this put up the anywhere? Yes. What do you think puts up such poster or give the ads in the newspaper? The government would have been putting up such poster and giving the information in the newspaper. Yes, dear. Government announced your surrounding is a cleaner. No, not. Your tank is a cleaner. Told no. What are some important points given in the poster? Why do you think picture of a tank, cooler and pits are the shown in the poster? Because there are stuff whether breeding of the mosquito can take the place if the water lug are not cleaned by up regularly. So next, think. Why do you think talks about putting the fish in the tank? What do you think the fish eats? It is told us because fish eat up the mosquito larvae, yes dear, that have been developing in the water. What will happen when oil is spread on your water? When oil is spread on your water, the egg and larva of mosquito growing there would have been killed. Okay, so oil is put the water. Which disease are spread by flies and how? Which fly dear? Disease like thyroid, cholera, anthrax, tuberculosis and salmonella are spread by flies. Flies carry pathogens on their legs and hair covering their body. Okay dear, and transfer to the food. This is a fly spread various diseases. Okay dear. Next, mosquito check. Yeah, you can do the activity. Okay dear. Next, make a poster. In your group, make a poster with the message to keep the cooler tank, drains and the area clean. Wherever water collect, put up the poster and around in your school. Find out the who responsible for keeping the area around the school clean. Write a letter from the class reporting finding and suggestion. Find out whom the letter should be written and which office it should be sent. Okay, this also you can write dear. Survey report. Some children did the survey. Had the sum of the reports. Group 1. We found something green around the tapes in our school, which is called algae. You know, algae is a water place is a surrounding that algae. No, okay. Due the algae a kind of a plant. It had some slip layer there. The algae spread lot during rainy season. Okay, dear. We think that the some kind of small plants that grow in water. Group 2. They are pond near the school. At the first, you cannot see the water in the pond as a completely covered with plant. An auntie told us that this plant have grown themselves in water. Around the pond, there are bites full of water. We also saw some larvae in the water. As we moved around, lots of mosquitoes fly from the plants growing under. Jaskat feels that there are so many mosquitoes in her house because of the dirty pond nearby. Oh, so that boy thinked. Is there pond river around your house or school? Go and look around then. Observe the things. Okay. Can you see algae in around the water? Yes, I can see algae in around the water. What else? Where else have you seen the algae? We saw it near drain, hand pump, tap walls, etc. Are the plants growing on the side or in your water? Find out their names. Draw some this in your notebook. Okay, dear. Do you think the plant someone did they grow in their own? Okay, you can write it. What else can you see in water? Make a list. This also you write. Next, a scientist peeped into the mosquito stomach. Says Ronald Rose. Okay, Ronald Rose, the father of general in the Indian Army, has studied to doctor. Became a doctor, but we really liked reading the stories, writing the poetry, music and drama. In many free time I enjoyed doing all this. The story of Ronald. In those days, thousands of people used that die from disease that we now call malaria. Yes, dear, the disease found in areas where there was lot of rain or swampy place. People thought that illness was caused by some poisonous gas that came from dirty swampy areas. Okay, they gave the same name malaria, which means bad air. Malaria means bad air. Okay, one doctor has seen tiny germs in the blood of one of the parasites when he observed in the under microscope, but he would not understand how this had got into the patient blood. My professor had some ideas about this. I think that this may be carried by the some kind of mosquitoes. As a student, I spent all the time causing mosquitoes. Okay, 4 types of mosquito: Anopheles mosquito, Aedes mosquito, Monocyne, Culex. Okay, dear. After the mosquito would have fast biting this patient. This patient were paid on Anna for allowing the one mosquito to bite them. In December 1902, Ronald Rose got the highest award from Discovery, the Nobel Prize for the medicine. The malaria medicine is provided by Ronald Rose. Sorry. 1905, the every dying rose last words were, I will find something. I will find something new. Okay. The end of the chapter. You can see the mosquito, mosquito and female Anopheles mosquito, Aedes mosquito, disease: malaria, dengue, chikungunya, and anemia. Symptoms of malaria: SDA is a high fever, sweating, headache, nausea, vomit, abdominal pain, diarrhea, anemia, muscles pain. Symptoms of anemia: eye is yellow color, skin goldness color changed, respiratory short breath, muscular weakly, internal changed stool, okay, color. Blood vessel: low blood pressure for the anemia patient. Heart: repeat the heart rate, okay. Chest pain, okay. You can see the larva, mosquito larva, pupa, and adult. Yes dear. Okay, you can clean your surrounding the area.